Cosmetic pigments are coloring agents used in makeup products such as nail polish, lipstick, eyeshadow, lip gloss, soap, and other cosmetics. These pigments are quite expensive and not easily available in local markets.